Well, absolutely all of the above. Chris and Dave are exactly right. The current view of public clouds typically make you think that the information in those public clouds need to be citizen-facing services that are available to all, whereas a lot of organizations believe that their crown jewels that they want to keep private need to be in a private cloud. But I think the real key to that for most organizations will be the hybrid.
Right.
And I think it's the hybrid that will take off when organizations begin to get very comfortable about the security ramifications of having data in a place where they typically don't have quite as
Right.
much, quote, control.
Right.
But companies like HP are working on the keys to that particular kingdom. And the way that we advise our clients is to think about, gee, do you need a FIPS 140 compliant environment? Do you need that kind of control? What is actually not just the service level agreement, but the risk level agreement that you want to develop with your provider, whether it's a government provider or a private provider? So we go through the entire range of what are you trying to protect, who you're trying to serve, what contractual risk and service level agreements are appropriate for that information.
Yeah.
And that is all of us, whether we're in government or industry, are beginning to understand the right questions to ask. And those right questions have everything to do with how does that information that's in a cloud working within this distributed environment that we're evolving to,
Right.
where is that information going? Is the client happy with that? Does the client need some level of transparency relative to where the information resides, especially in the U.S. federal space? Much of that information needs to stay within the shores of the United States, and it needs to be accessible by only United States citizens. So I think part of the evolution is not just technology, but knowing what questions to ask of your cloud provider.
Yeah, excellent.